In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom board chess.com. One of the best ways to personalize your chess.com experience is by customizing the appearance of your chessboard. Whether you prefer a classic wooden look, a modern design, or simply want a board that is easier on your eyes during long playing sessions, chess.com offers several customization options that allow you to adjust the board to your preferences. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access these settings and customize your board appearance. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the chess.com website. Once the page loads, sign into your account so you can access your personal settings and customization options. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard of the platform. Next, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the screen. You'll find a gear-shaped icon that opens the Settings menu. Click on this icon to access your account preferences and display options. When the Settings menu appears, select the option labeled All Settings. This will take you to the full settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your chess.com account, including gameplay, appearance, notifications, and board customization. Once you're on the settings page, look for the section related to board and pieces customization. Open this category to view the available board themes and visual styles. Chess.com provides a variety of board designs, allowing you to choose the one that best suits your playing preferences. Browse through the available board options and preview the different styles. As you select various themes, you'll be able to see how the board will appear during your games. This makes it easy to compare different looks and find one that you enjoy using. In addition to changing the board itself, you may also find options that allow you to customize the appearance of the chess pieces. Matching your preferred board style with a piece set you like can create a more enjoyable and personalized playing experience. After you've selected the board design that you want to use, make sure your changes are saved. Once saved, your chosen board style will be applied to future games and analysis sessions on chess.com. And that's all there is to it. Customizing your board is a simple way to make chess.com feel more personal and comfortable to use. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.